Hey guys, it's the Financial here and I am back with another video. Welcome back to my channel if you're a returning subscriber, and welcome back if you are new. If you are new here, feel free to hit that subscribe button and join the family because you'll like it here. Okay guys, so today I am doing a lock tour. I like to do these as like my little updates to myself so I can keep track of what my locks look like at different stages. But you guys also seem to enjoy it as well, so I'm going to be doing that today. So today is March 24th. My hair anniversary was actually the March 22nd, so I'm officially 35 months locked. I will be officially 3 years on April 22nd, and I'm really excited about that. I will have an update, so look out for that. But yeah, I am really having a lot of fun with my locks, and I'm really loving how my locks are looking at this point. If you guys have been watching my previous videos, you'll see that I have been trying to do a flat twist out on my hair, and it's just not turning out quite like I wanted it to, and that's because my locks have changed. So I definitely want to make sure I document this so I can, you know, see how it looks. And this is also helpful for people out there who are thinking about getting their Microlocs done and who has about, you know, a similar amount of locks as me, and they kind of want to have an idea of what their locks will look like at different stages. So yeah, so without further ado, let's get into the lock tour.
Eat that lunch, she keep that booty booty, she keep that pump, that natural beauty, yeah. If you could see it from the front, till you see it from the back, back, till you see it back, yeah, back, till you see it from the back, back, till you see it from the. If you could see it from the front, till you see you in the back, yeah. You like it thick, you like it fat, yeah. Like it keep on wanting more. He asked me, don't do where you at, huh? And I wanna know how long it take to pull my pants up. Poke a finger, net and then some. Tryna squeeze into my true religion, that numb. Celebrate, don't wanna say you like it. I don't buy it with a say you like it. He said the body unbelievable. Can't trust a big but then a Gemini. I keep it juicy. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty, she keep that pump, that natural beauty, yeah. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back, back, till you see it back, yeah, back, till you see it from the back, yeah, back, till you see it from the. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. Bring that ass over, does you bring it?
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that lock tour. If you guys have any questions about my lock, or if you're interested in my lock journey so far, be sure to check out my lock update playlist. I will leave that for you guys below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.